What's going on? All right, down at St. Paul's with Corey, having a fly on Sunday, doing the usual thing. I got a new beast here, fresh build, Apex, with some T-motor Velox motors and a Z-stack, a F7. Very neat stack, comes with these tiny little LEDs, which are pretty mint.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Let's go for a fly.
So, got the new GoPro case on there, little schmick, about to be destroyed and fucking owned. Corey's got his take hand, and he's just made in a knot. Off he goes. I don't know if you can even see it, 'cause of the bloody ND filter. Oh